Hi, my name is Lauren Lilling from Keep It Sweet Desserts. Today I'm going to show you how to make cookies and cream brownies with cream cheese icing. The first thing we're going to do is melt our chocolate and butter. And then once we've done that, we're going to add all the rest of the ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need just 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate, a half a cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a half a cup of flour. And then we're going to add our cookies. We're going to use about 3/4 of a cup of chocolate sandwich cookies. So I'll put my chocolate and my butter in the pot. You want to use a medium-sized heavy-duty saucepan. And we're going to melt the chocolate and butter over medium heat. It should just take a few minutes on your stove. What I love about homemade brownies is just how easy they are to make. You don't need a box mix. These are delicious. So once your butter and chocolate is melted, we're going to add our sugar and just stir it in until it's combined with the chocolate and butter. Really easy. You want it to be a nice and smooth consistency once that's combined. Then we'll add our egg and vanilla and just stir that in as well. And then we add the flour. When you add the flour, just stir it in until it's combined. Don't overmix it or you'll get a tough consistency with the brownie. Finally, we're going to add our chopped up sandwich cookies. Just stir them in real quick. Alright, so now we're going to pour our brownie batter into the pan, and then we'll bake the brownies in the oven for about 15 minutes, or until you put a knife in and it comes out, without any batter on it. So our brownies are out of the oven. They've been out for about a half an hour to an hour, and they're cool. And we've got our cream cheese icing over here, so that's ready to spread onto the brownies. You just want to put, about a big spoonful or so. Start with that. And then we'll spread it over the brownies in a thin layer. Now that you have a thin layer of cream cheese icing on your brownies, you're ready to go. Just slice them into 12 pieces and serve. They're delicious. I'm Lauren Lilling. Come visit me at Keep It Sweet Desserts for more sweets and lots of recipes.